Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get Temu items without inviting friends. Now, if you go to your account here, you can see that this is my account, right? And there's a section called Play and Earn. If I click on Play and Earn here, and I tap on it, you can see on top here, it's earn free credits and free gifts, right? So not only can I get a 64 credits here and 5 mysterious $0 items, you can sign in also on Temu, and all of these is without inviting friends. This is all free, right? So if I, for example, click on 5 mysterious $0 item, I click on this. Let's wait for it to load. Let's see what we can get. Currently, it's not available in the United States. Too bad. Let's try the other one, Kiss, waiting now. And good news, this one works. So if you encounter anyone that's not working, you can just pick the other one. And then you can see right now here, we can pick new Kiss, right? So I can get a free elastic band, free 100-piece colorful handmade positioning pins, a waterproof mat for an umbrella, a necklace there, or a bracelet, and then all of these stuff that's for free. So it's it's good, right? So let me get these exquisite rings here. I'm just gonna press on pick this free gift, and that's it. I got a free gift. Now this is all without inviting friends as well. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.